Hi, how's it going? I'm Chris, welcome to another video. And today we're going to do once again a video testing images with artificial intelligence, in this case with ChatGPT. We're going to turn ourselves into a Pixar character, an anime character, and another from a video game. We know that the licenses are restricted, so let's see how far we can go and do some tests. I hope that at the end I can choose which one I like best. Share it with you all, so let's get started. Let's share the screen with ChatGPT and let's go to number 1, which would be the Pixar one, the one I like the most. And besides, it's gone super viral on social media. I'm sure you've seen it somewhere, so I'm going to check if it really works well with ChatGPT or not, because there are apps that do this exclusively, and then they let you have it. Perfect, but I don't know if ChatGPT is going to be able to do it. Let's upload the photo we want. Let's upload the photo and enter the following prompt. Let's tell it. Transform this photograph into a character from a 3D animated movie. Because if we say Pixar, it won't do it for us. Remember that it has limitations regarding third-party content, okay? So it's important to use this prompt so it can make it as close as possible for us. So let's see the result of this image. Okay, look, we already have the image. It made it for us. It's the typical Pixar style image. Big eyes, small face, small nose, mouth kind of like a button. It made me exactly as I was in the chair. I'm going to tell it to put me in a different setting. Like a movie scene. Let's see if it does it for us. Come on, we already have the image. Well, look, I don't know. We have some country in the background. What I really like about this is the kind of lighting it gives to the image. It made my tattoos look so realistic, just as they are. I really liked it. I'm surprised by the image quality. I like it a lot. That's how it's done. It really gets close to the Pixar world, and I really like the idea. So I think if you use this prompt, it can work for you, and then you just tell it where you want the image to be placed. Alright, let's move on to the next transformation, which would be the anime one. Those are my favorites. I'm really looking forward to seeing this result. Usually AI does amazing things when it comes to anime, so let's tell it that this photo... We're going to tell it, turn this photograph into a professional anime character. Okay, let's see what it does for us. That is the anime version. It is definitely a bit spicy, but hey, that is just what anime is all about, isn't it? And the same thing applies here. If you really do not want the result to be exactly as I have shown you, or if you are looking for it to look completely real, in the same place where you uploaded the photo, you can just say, make this photo in a battlefield. I don't know, and it does it for you, thanks. Absolutely agree. I don't know if I like the anime version or the Pixar version more. I think the Pixar one, because Pixar is always cuter, and now let's see, well... By the way, if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments, questions, or ideas. Anything that comes to mind will be more than welcome. And now let's move on to another transformation, which would be the video game one. Okay, let's look at the same photo. Let's use it, because in the end I want to see the example in all of them. Let's put up the photo and tell it the following. For the prompt, we're going to say, transform this photograph into the protagonist of a modern music video. Let's see what the AI does for us. In this case, and with this one, we'll decide which of the three I like the most. Now, let's see if it made a version that's a bit Tomb Raider. Also, I love it because it picked up the name I have tattooed here. It says Ina, level 28. Sniper. Wow, I'm a sniper. Century, progression, the type of weapon I'm carrying, the skill. Hey, this is really realistic, huh? The lighting it has is very much like a video game. I mean, I look a bit like Tomb Raider, that's for sure, huh? But hey. Very original. I really liked it. It conveys a lot of personality. Honestly, I think this one could win. I liked it a lot, so now it's time to decide which one it is. People like the style more, Pixar style, anime style. This one is the video game style. I'm sticking with this video game one. I really liked it. I think it's very powerful. So let me know in the comments which one you like the most, and I'll read them. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. Take care.